Hi everyone. As we are becoming dependent on various nutritive supplements, those that are available in the market are not really cost effective. But the ones which you can prepare right in your home and are filled with nutritive supplements and natural, those are in the form of sprouts. So let's talk about it and know more about it. Sprouts are rich in a number of important nutrients. While the specific ratio of nutrients varies depending on the type of sprout, they generally contain high level of folate, magnesium, phosphorus and vitamin K. In fact, they have higher amounts of these nutrients than fully grown version of the same plant. Now that we know sprouts are healthy and nutritive, the most common question would be, is it good to eat sprouts every day? As we know that in order to keep our body energized and active, we need to maintain a lifestyle that would be beneficial for our heart. Yes, sprouts may improve heart health. Including sprouts in your daily diet may also have benefits for your heart. That's mainly because sprouts may reduce the risk factors for heart diseases such as high blood cholesterol levels, diabetes, and so on. Now the obvious question would be, how much sprouts should we eat daily? If you do not have a specific health challenge that you would like to address, you can make your diet 50% of sprouts, 35% of vegetables and up to 15% of fruits. If you eat this way, the average person will need about 4 cups of sprouts per day. That is 2 cups for lunch and 2 cups for dinner. There are different types of sprouts as you can see in the picture. Now the question comes, what is the best time to eat sprouts? It is the best to eat sprouts anytime from breakfast to noon because of how these complex foods can provide you with a lot of energy that can fuel you up during the entire day. Meanwhile, it is not generally suggested to take at night because your body would still be digesting those things. Now that we are talking about how to consume it and what would be the right way and amount, there can be different side effects due to overconsumption too, like diarrhea, fever and even abdominal cramps, which can occur 12 to 72 hours after the infection. Therefore, it is always suggested not to take it raw. Now, this was all about sprouts, its benefit, when to take, when not to take, and how much to consume, and so on. If you like the video and you want such informative videos for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Be healthy.